Hi, this video is to show a new coreBOS widget that we just added. It's based on the PDF.js library, and its purpose is to show a PDF preview, a view of the PDFs that we have inside the application. As a widget, we have to do that, configure it as a business action. So I'm going to come over here to the business action module and create a new one. It's the detail view widget. We can put any link, any label we want, because basically we're not going to show that. And the link, I have that saved up here, is the typical link that we have on most widgets, where you have the position where it's going to be, that block, the class where that's going to show the widget, where the class lives in this PHP file, and then we have a parameter, which is the record ID. In this case, what the widget does is that it will search in the record that we send the record ID in for a PDF file in the related list. If it finds it, it will show that to you. So since I'm creating this record for the first time, it won't have any related records. So we will not get anything on screen, I suppose. Okay, good. Now we have to come over here to the documents module, and let's add a document here. I think I have some documents already pre-created for some test I did before, but let's get another one up here. Let's try this one. Save. Okay, good. It was created and it was uploaded and added to the business action. Now if I go back to the detail view, I see that we have this widget that shows me exactly the PDF inside. So basically, that easy to have a preview of the PDF that we have related. So next question that I actually asked myself was what happens if I select an image, for example this one. So now I have on the related list an image and a PDF. Will the widget still find the PDF? Yep, because it actually looks for just the PDFs that are there, not any other documents. And so the next question was, what happens if I add another PDF? Like, for example, this is the one we uploaded, this one, for example. Okay, so now I have two PDFs. What will it show here? It shows the same one. Interesting. Because that one actually has a lower ID. Okay, if I add another document, okay, what it really does, let's add a PDF 3. Let's add another PDF here. See if I have one here. This one. Does this one upload? It's kind of big. Yeah, I thought so. That one's kind of big. So let's try this one. Just smaller. Okay, nice. Where were we? Business actions. And here. And this one. Now I should have, even though it did give an error there. Okay, it actually didn't upload the document at all. Okay, it did. Okay, so I add this one here. Now I have three PDFs, and this one is after the other one that I created, and it should override. Yes, okay, good. So what I'm trying to say is that in this mode where I have on the business action this record ID parameter, what the widget does is that it searches the related list for PDF records, and it gets the last one that was uploaded and shows it to you. So that's interesting, and it's a nice functionality, but it could happen that we actually want always to show one document, not any document that we upload like that. I mean, we can have other types of rules to decide which PDF we want to get. So another rule is that we can get the document ID. So for example, if I get this one, and this one has a document ID of 45155, and I come over here to the copy that, I come over here to the business action, and instead of record ID, we use doc ID, and I put here the document, the ID of the document. Then what will happen is that I get that document, not the last one in the related list, but that exact document ID. The next thing that you can do is, okay, what if I don't always want to have a fixed document ID, but I want to apply some advanced rules where I can do some conditions or even a decision table. So we do what we always do in coreBOS. Instead of using a hard-coded query or a CRM ID, a direct ID, which is kind of rigid, we have a map, a business map, actually a coreBOS rule. So you can have a condition expression, a condition query, so you can have your own query. You can do it as complicated or as easy as you need, or you can plug in a whole decision table to find out what is the right document ID to get. I actually don't have one here, but I mean, we can try to do that really quick. So for example, see if we can get a really simple one like this one. Yeah, let's try this one. This one is a PDF. Curious. It's a PDF, but wait, what is that? Hold on. What is this? Yeah, that's what I figured. That wasn't normal. Let's see if we have another PDF so we can actually do that. No, I don't want to show that one. And the 9 rules, selections, metropolitan. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do this one. 45054. Okay, so I'm going to create a business map, which is going to be a condition query, a condition expression, sorry. My doc ID, whatever, and I'm just going to put this, and that's a condition expression. The expression will be exactly that value, nothing else. Don't think we're going to use the target module, but anyway, we put the documents, and wow, really simple map. Just returns the ID, but obviously as an expression you could complicate it as much as you want. And so now basically if I put the map ID here, I should get up here the 9. Oh, okay, so it didn't evaluate that correctly for whatever reason. Condition expression and the ID. Okay, anyway, I'll have a look at that and make sure it works, but or maybe I did something wrong. But the idea is that the widget is actually that powerful. I mean, it's kind of a nice work. Record related record ID, and that is $record. Okay, save. And that way we kind of get it back here. Okay, anyway, so like I was saying, nice widget to enhance all of the functionality and things that coreBOS already has in there.